Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Marketo Engage with AI-powered email content optimization, full guide step-by-step clearly. To begin updating Marketo Engage with AI-powered email content optimization, log into your Marketo Engage account. Navigate to the Emails section in the dashboard. Create a new email or select an existing one that you want to optimize. If creating a new email, choose a template that aligns with your campaign goals. In the email editor, focus on the subject line first. Use AI tools to analyze the subject line for engagement potential. Consider A/B testing different subject lines generated by the AI. Next, move on to the email body. Utilize AI-driven content suggestions to enhance your messaging. Look for personalized content recommendations tailored to your audience segments. Incorporate dynamic content fields to customize the email for individual recipients. Review the recommended images and call-to-action buttons provided by the AI tool. Ensure the email's layout remains clean and visually appealing. After finalizing the content, preview the email on both desktop and mobile formats. Pay attention to the readability and overall flow of the email. Once satisfied, run a final check using the AI's optimization insights. Make any necessary adjustments to improve engagement and conversion likelihood. When everything looks good, schedule the email for distribution. After sending, monitor the email performance metrics over time. Analyze the results using Marketo's reporting tools to assess the effectiveness of AI-powered optimizations. Continuously refine your content strategy based on the insights gained from each email campaign. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.